Assalamu alaikum, Zamanum Shekiba Day. My name is Shekiba and I'm teaching Pashto, and you could find some more information about COVID in link below. We go to the next section. Here we are going to teach some of the words about traveling. When you travel somewhere and you would like to know places, for example, where is the train station? The train station Chirtade. The train station Chirtade. Chirta, where? Means where. Where is the hotel? Hotel Chirtade. Hotel Chirtade. How much for the taxi? The taxi kiraya sumrade. How much for the taxi? The taxi kiraya sumrade. Please take me to the airport. Ma pa maidan awaita urasawa. Ma pa maidan awaita urasawa. Please take me to the market. मेहरबानी होके अमा pa market के urasawa. Please take me to the market. मेहरबानी वकले अमा market urasawa. Which restaurant do you recommend? Kuma restaurant ta mata recommend kawaleshi? Which restaurant do you recommend? Kuma restaurant sta pa nazar derakha de? Which restaurant do you think is the best?